Welcome to 3D CAD Click. In this video, I am going to explain how to perform structural analysis of bolt connection in steel structure. This is the setup what we have. Here we are going to get the column. This is the beam. At this particular end, we are going to apply the boundary condition, that is a fixed support. Here we are going to get the bolt connection. Total number of bolts are 4. The size of the bolt what we are using for the analysis, that is M16. At this particular end, we are going to apply the force of 1500 Newton. The material using to perform the analysis is structural steel. Let's get inside the interface of Ansys. There we are going to perform structural analysis of bolt connection in steel structure. This is the interface of Ansys. Here we are going to get the analysis system. The next we required is geometry. Click on this, right click, go to the option here, import. Click on the browse. Once I click on this, here we're going to get the step file format of bolted connection. I'm going to select this particular file. Click open for this one. Minus, because it's downward, minus 1500 newtons, enter for this one. Now I want to perform the analysis here. Right click on the solution. Here we're going to get the option solve. How much stress is on this particular body? 195.84 Newton per millimeter square, that is megapascals. If you want to check at what location is the maximum stress, here in the result we can see that we are going to get the maximum and minimum. For example, if I want to generate an analysis report, go to home. Here we are going to get the option report preview. Once I click on the report preview, this is the process of generating the report. This is how we are going to perform the analysis of bolt connection in steel structure, and this is how we are going to generate the report using Ansys Workbench. This is the example I wanted to explain in this video. In the next video, we are going to continue from next set of options. Thank you.